UMP ka Congress natura usalang sangma ula therting ya ka jingle smart Kynsan menteri rangba ka Jalau Konrad ke sangma ban pin ya jan Paidbah. Habakran sikilat pathai kubor UMP ulaong baka CM Connect kadai ka babyang bha Henry ula bu jing kelipat la ka jing penjan Paidbah kadai tangman yo tepat haki rensan social media. Daka bakit no bau menteri rangba jupan jan Paidbah haki san senam bala lek no usalang ula penpau ka jing lengo bal se kadai tang bantap Eit-Miaw yaki kam Beaiñ. Ulaong baladau hap ban mi nakasuki borok kikam bakla kin pau perthai bat imat daga jingtiang ulit penyajan Paidbah. Susu ula benra bau kwa ban tip lau menteri rangba ule thirin ya kijing ki bagi Paidbah ki penpau lingba ka CM Connect namar hadu menta dan jingken katno tli ki jing tengko jing jong ki Paidbah lala ban weng.
It's a good on the part of the CM to go every now and then so that he will know the issues of people pertaining to any kind of development that is happening within the state. But if he is doing only for the sake of creating the content, or maybe just to, influence by creating this contentious idea, it is wrong on the part. If he is seriously doing for the people, then it's fine, it's good. But as you rightly said, last 5 years he never used to get connected with these people, with our people, the way he's having this connection nowadays. It's good that he's changing a little pattern, either whether he is really concerned for the people, or maybe he's trying to safeguard to protect whatever the illegalities that is happening within the state, or to hide whatever that is being the wrong that has been done. I don't know, because once he will get out from the chair, everything whichever wrong that they have done might be exposed. Maybe he's scared, maybe out of fear he's going down to the people, not for the love of people, because last 5 years, as you said, he never went like the way he's going right now. So maybe out of fear only. CM Connect is a good program, actually, no doubt. It's a very, very good program. But in fact, it was supposed to give more development and come closer to the people. And then once they connect with the people, he should know the, whichever the irregularities, and then all the development which is not taking place could have been vigilantly, seen by the people. I mean, by the CM himself. But whether after that particular CM Connect, whether he's addressing the whatever people are placing before him seriously or not, we have not get back the result. We have not got back the result also. Okay, I don't know. You see, all the grievances made by the people in front of the CM, whether that has been addressed seriously or not, till now we have not seen. Last few days back, when he was going to Purakasia to attend one conference, on the way he was talking to one of the villagers regarding the JJM. But at the end, he floundered out actually by saying that, people floundered out that instead of giving development, you should not have give this particular JJM to us. It was awkward on his part to, ask the people in that day. And then moreover, I could see even in Adokre area also, when he was asking about the JJM, he said that the work is already completed, but when people were complaining about water is not there and the tank was not fully, done, but he said that since he has already, the government has already handed over to the public, it's the public who has to, take over. But it's wrong on the part of any government to give the incompleted work and then hand over to the public. When the incompleted work is been handed over to the public, do you think that particular project will be functional? Not at all. It's a wrong on the part as a chief minister to speak on that line. You see, you should not give up. When the people are complaining, you should listen and make sure that you address that particular issue seriously. Whenever the grievances is brought to the chief minister himself, then what's the use of CM Connect? when you're not listening and then addressing seriously. There's a lots of, for example, the road which was already tendered from Adokri to Mangsang area, Rongjeng. Again, it was desanctioned during this last MDA, first MDA. And when he himself was a finance minister in 2008-9, he has desanctioned lots of projects from Garo Hills. Lots of road was village road which was connected, which was sanctioned under the Dr. Mukul Sang, under the Didilapang. That was desanctioned when he became the finance minister. Not only one, two, many numbers of rural road was desanctioned. Okay. So, when you are trying to explain to the people, you should be altruist. Okay? Stick to the truth. Do not just jibe around actually. Just don't beat around the bush. It's wrong. If you go to the people and then trying to, just to get their influence, just to create the content, it's wrong. That's why CM Connect is very good, but the address seems to be not to the point. I feel sad on the part whoever is coming to the CM Connect and then getting, instead of getting benefit, because CM carries all the weight with him, all the development with him only, finances with him, planning is with him, all the department is with him. When he goes to any CM Connect, to any villages, to any colony, make sure that he responded to them seriously and address their situation nicely, and then give them whatever the government has given before. Okay? Before, in the sense, for example, whatever the project that was pending should be completed. He is going to the CM Connect even without addressing the sanctioned project. The sanctioned project which was supposed to be completed, yet they have handed over those incomplete projects also to the villagers. Then how do you supposed to blame the villagers later on? You should not just go to the people just to fool around. Don't waste time. Even waste time, by the government itself, by the government officers also, by the people also. So you should not do like that. There where it is wrong. Otherwise, CM Connect is a good program. I appreciate whatever the CM, the Connect. It was already started during the era of Mukul himself, I think so. The CM Connect, I think so. I could remember.
Habatin, Paidbah ki kashab plus F.
Ka plus F?
Hakabam bangibam dunaki eki batay kamet. Namar kata habathiru atau kau kamlu ka umpnyang kadut pet ya kashab plus F hakajingsom. Yaki nutrient kumki vitamin bat ka ayan la icon diat bat akabatau bha kam kata ikadur jengki marbam kajing mat lani karukom shed yaki.
Balehi panai kita.
Kadon ka we kajing mentoy ba Kongsan. Ka kot ka kia. Ka nutrition ba kambha kajing im ba kambha pendon kam daki marba medon ka sharp plus F menta kasni.
Lawan Ra Shafi Lingba ko office jong Commissionerate of Food Safety Meghalaya.